Good morning, children. So last class we have discussed up to single displacement reactions. Okay, so based on the number of rearrangement of the atoms, okay, reactions can be classified into different types. Okay, there are 5 types of chemical reactions are given in our textbook. Okay, so up to last class we have discussed 3 types of chemical reactions. One is combination reactions, second one decomposition reaction, third one single displacement reactions. Okay, so today we are going to start the next type of chemical reaction, double displacement reactions. So what is mean by single displacement reaction? Okay, when compound react with one of the element, okay, one of the element to give what ma new compound plus element. Okay, so element in a compound reactant, okay, one of the element present in where compound reactant replaced by another one element reactant. So this type of chemical reaction is known as single displacement reactions. So what is mean by double? Double means what ma? Double times. Displacement means what ma? The ions are interchanged. Ions are interchanged. So what is the definition for double displacement reactions? Okay, when two compounds reacts, okay, if the ions are interchanged, okay, when two compounds are react, okay, then their ions are interchanged. Okay, so this type of reaction, this type of reaction is known as double displacement reactions. Okay, the double displacement reactions, ions are interchanged. Okay, ions are interchanged. Okay, so what type of ions are interchanged? Okay, identical charges of the ions are interchanged. Okay, ions means what ma? Charged particles is known as ions. Okay, so identical charges of the ions are interchanged. Okay, next one, cation replaced by cations. Cation replaced by cations. Okay, so what is the other name of this reaction is known as metathesis reactions. Metathesis reactions. So what is the systematic representation of the double displacement reactions? Okay, when two compounds react each other, okay, when two compound, why it is called as compound? Different types of elements are present. Okay, when two compound react with each other, okay, the ions are interchanged. Okay, the ions are interchanged. So B replaced by D, so AD plus CB. Okay, AD plus CB. Okay, in double displacement reactions, okay, one of the product may be precipitate or water. Okay, in double displacement reaction, one of the product what ma? May be either precipitate or water. Precipitate may be maximum what type of physical state ma? Solid state only. Okay, solid state. Okay, so based on their these conditions, based on their which condition ma? Okay, based on their precipitate or water formations, okay, the reactions can be classified into 2 types. Okay, double displacement reactions can be classified into 2 types. Okay, one is precipitation reaction, another one is neutralization reactions. One is precipitation reaction, another one is neutralization reaction. Okay, A, precipitation reaction. Precipitate reactions. Precipitate reactions. So what is the definition for precipitate? Okay, precipitate means what ma? When two compounds, okay, react with each other, okay, the solid substance is settled in where ma? In the form of the product. Okay, so it is known as what? Precipitate. Okay, when the aqueous solution of two compounds, when the aqueous solutions, what is the condition ma? Aqueous solution. When the aqueous solution of the two compounds are mixed, okay, okay, if they are react to form a, okay, insoluble compound and soluble compound. Okay, insoluble compound and soluble compound. Okay, when the two aqueous solutions are mixed with each other to form a chemical reaction, okay, to form a chemical reactions, okay, to get what ma? 2 types of products. One is insoluble, another one is what ma? Another one is soluble. One is insoluble, another one is soluble. Okay, the insoluble product is known as precipitate. Okay, the insoluble product is known as what ma? Precipitate. So if you are taking the two compounds, okay, we have to allow to do the reactions. Okay, after completion of the reactions, okay, so we are getting the two products. Okay, one is insoluble, another one is soluble. Okay, the insoluble compound or product is known as what ma? Precipitate. So this reaction is known as precipitate reactions. Okay, so what is the example? What is the example? Okay, lead nitrate, okay, react with the potassium iodide. Okay, lead nitrate react with potassium iodide. Okay, both the substance in what way we have to take ma? What type of physical state? Aqueous solutions. Lead nitrate BbNO3 twice. Okay, aqueous solution plus potassium iodide aqueous solution. Okay, to give what ma? To give what? Okay, lead iodide PbI2 plus KNO3. Okay, this is called precipitate. Okay, solid form, here liquid form. Okay, potassium nitrate. Okay, lead nitrate also aqueous solution, potassium iodide also aqueous solutions. Okay, so after mixing up these two aqueous solutions, we will get two products. One is insoluble product, another one is soluble product. Okay, the insoluble product is nothing but what ma? Lead iodide. Okay, another one soluble product is KNO3. KNO3. Okay, so here 2K. Okay, here 2I. So here 2. Okay, 2NO3. 2NO3. So in this way we have to balance this equation. So what is the color of lead iodide? Yellow color, precipitate. Okay, yellow color, precipitate. Okay, so this is an example of what ma? Precipitate reactions. Okay, next one, neutralization reaction. So what is mean by neutralization? What is mean by neutralization? So already we have studied in the lower section. Okay, neutralization reaction. Against and over the neutralization reactions. So what is mean by neutral? Okay, what is mean by neutral? So if you are taking any compound, okay, we are classifying acid, base or neutral. Okay, maximum it will come acid or maximum it will come base. So what is mean by neutral? Neutral means what ma? It will not contain both the characters. Okay, not in acid character and basic character also. So acid plus base to give what? Salt plus water. Salt plus water plus huge amount of the heat energy also released. Okay, so acid, okay, neutralized with the base to give what ma? New product, salt plus water. So this type of reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reactions. Okay, neutralization reactions. Okay, so acid react with the base, or base is neutralized with the acid to give what ma? Salt plus water plus which energy? Heat energy also released. For example, okay, sodium chloride and hydrochloric acid. Okay, both the compound also in aqueous solutions. Okay, so heat is liberated in very small amount, not in the huge amount. Okay, so sodium hydroxide HCl to give what ma? NaCl plus water. NaCl plus water. Okay, so this is what ma? Salt. Okay, sometimes you may get in the solution form also, sometimes you may get in the salt form also. Okay, it may be dissolved in water, it may show in aqueous solution. Aqueous solutions. Okay, this is one of the example. Another one, okay, so nitric acid react with the ammonium hydroxide. Okay, nitric acid, okay, HNO3, okay, aqueous solution react with the ammonium hydroxide aqueous solution to give, okay, ammonium nitrate plus water. Ammonium nitrate plus water, both also aqueous solution. Okay, ammonium nitrate also aqueous solution. Water is a liquid. Okay, so these two reactions are the examples of what ma? Neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction is nothing but what ma? Acid react with the base, or base is neutralized with the acid, or acid is neutralized with the base to give salt plus water. So this type of reaction is known as neutralization reactions. So last reactions, okay, fifth reaction, combustion reaction. Okay, fifth reaction what ma? Combustion reaction. So fifth reaction, combustion reaction. Fifth one, not double displacement. So what is mean by combustion? Okay, COMBUSTION, combustion reactions. So what is mean by combustion? What is mean by combustion? Okay, so combustion means what ma? Burning. Okay, so burning the reactions. Okay, what is the other name of the combustion reactions ma? Burning the reactions. Okay, burning. Okay, combustion means what ma? Burning. Okay, so in this type of reaction, one of the product may be what ma? Oxygen. One of the product may be oxygen. So without oxygen, we cannot carry out this type of reaction. Which type of reaction? Combustion reactions. Okay. So in our day-to-day life, we are burning so many substances with the help of oxygen. With the help of oxygen. So this type of reaction is known as combustion reactions. Okay. Any compound or any substance combined with oxygen, okay, to liberate what ma? Either carbon dioxide or water, or sometimes heat also liberated. Okay, heat also liberated. Maximum heat is liberated. Okay, so it is an example of exothermic reaction. Okay, which one ma? Combustion reactions are the examples of what? Exothermic reactions. So exothermic oxidation reactions also. Why oxidation reaction? Exothermic oxidation. Okay, exothermic oxidation. Why? Because of the oxygen is involved in this reaction. So it is called as what ma? Exothermic oxidation reactions. Okay, for example, okay, so in our home we are using LPG gas. Okay, the LPG gas is a mixture of what ma? Propane and butane. Okay, so C3H8 propane gas combined with the oxygen to give what? Carbon dioxide plus water plus heat energy is liberated. So water also it is coming in the vapor form, carbon dioxide in the gaseous form, heat alone we are getting. Okay, these two it is coming outside. Okay, so this is an example of what ma? Combustion reactions. Okay, so if you are taking the food, okay, food is digested in where? Inside the stomach. Okay, so with the help of what ma? Supply amount of the energy is converted into products. Okay, so next one, so up to, okay, so based on what ma? Nature of the rearrangement of the atoms. Okay, reactions can be classified into 5 types. Okay, they are, okay, combustion reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, last one combustion reactions. Okay, this is one category. Okay, next second category, based on their directions. So classification of based on the direction of the reactions. Okay, so based on their direction. Based on their directions, reaction can be classified into 2 types. One is reversible, another one is irreversible. Okay, one is reversible, another one is what ma? Irreversible. Okay, what is the spelling for reversible? reversible. So irreversible, IRR, okay, versable. So reversible reaction. Another one is irreversible reactions. So based on the direction. So what is mean by reversible reactions? What is mean by reversible reactions? Okay, a reactions. Okay, a reversible reactions is a reaction which the products can be converted back into the reactants. Product can be converted back into the reactants. Okay, so in the reversible reactions, both forward and backward reactions will happen. Both forward and backward. Both forward and backward reactions will happen in which type of chemical reactions, ma? Reversible chemical reactions. So irreversible chemical reactions, only the forward reaction will happen. Only the forward reaction will happen, not in the backward reactions. For example, for reversible reactions, for example, okay, phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, okay, PCl5, okay, converted into phosphorus trichloride plus chlorine molecule. Okay, so half of the reactant is converted into product, again half of the product is converted into reactant. Okay, this arrow mark indicate what, ma? Direction of the reactions. Okay, direction of the reactions. Okay, usually the reversible reactions are very slow. Okay, it will not obtain the equilibrium conditions. It will not obtain the equilibrium conditions. Okay, so next one, irreversible reactions. So what is mean by irreversible reactions? Okay, the reaction that cannot be reversed is called, irreversible reactions. Okay, that means what, ma? Once the reactant is converted into product, okay, reactant is converted into product, okay, we cannot get back the, which one, ma? Product, it will not converted into reactant. Okay, this reaction, it will not happen in where? Irreversible reactions. Irreversible reaction. For example, if you are taking the solid coal, okay, react with oxygen to give what? Carbon dioxide plus heat energy. Okay, either we can get back the again coal from carbon dioxide and water, we cannot get back. Okay, carbon combined with oxygen to give what? Carbon dioxide plus heat energy. Okay, this is what? Irreversible reactions. Okay, so we may mix these two, we cannot get back what, ma? This carbon and oxygen we cannot get back. Okay, we cannot get back. Okay, so this type of reaction is known as irreversible reactions. Okay, but last it is given, what is the difference between, what is the difference between, okay, reversible and irreversible reactions? What is the difference between reversible and irreversible reactions? Okay, first point, it can be reversed. Okay, it can be reversed under suitable conditions. Okay, irreversible reaction, okay, it will not come. Okay, it cannot be reversed. Okay, we may make in the tabular column format, we will see. Reversible, yeah, irreversible. Okay, first point, it can be reversed under suitable conditions. Reversed. Okay, here cannot be reversed. Okay, here reversed under suitable conditions. Here cannot be reversed under suitable conditions. Okay, second point, both the forward and backward reaction will happen. Okay, both forward and backward reactions. Okay, here only forward reactions will happen. Third one, equilibrium it will obtain. Equilibrium obtained. here equilibrium it will not obtained. Okay, so fourth point, equilibrium, here it will obtain, here the equilibrium it will not obtain. The reaction cannot be converted into, okay, the reactions cannot be the reactions cannot be completely converted. Okay, complete complete conversion is impossible. Okay, here the complete conversion is possible. Okay, the last point, okay, it is, okay, relatively very slow. Okay, here fast. Okay, it is very relatively slow, here fast. Okay, so first point, it can be reversed under suitable conditions, it cannot be reversed. Okay, here both the forward and the backward reaction will happen, here only the forward reaction will happen. Okay, third point, equilibrium. Okay, third point, attains the equilibrium, here cannot attains the equilibrium. Okay, here the complete reactions cannot possible. Okay, here complete reactions can be possible. Okay, it is relatively very slow, here fast. Okay, so these are the points, what ma, the difference between reversible and irreversible reactions. Okay, so up to this we have discussed different types of chemical reactions based on the two conditions. One is based on the nature of the rearrangement of the atoms, 5 classifications. Okay, second category based on the direction of the chemical reactions, two types. One is reversible, another one is irreversible reactions. Okay, so that's all. Today class is over. So okay, the remaining two headings are pending. Okay, remaining two headings are pending. Rate of the chemical reactions, rate of chemical reactions, what are the factors are affecting the chemical reactions. Okay, this is one part. Okay, next one, okay, ionic product of water, what is mean by pH, what is the role of pH in our day-to-day life. Okay, so maximum 2 classes or 3 classes enough to complete this lessons. Okay, so thank you children, thank you.